What's up, y'all? I just wanted to make this quick video showing you how to do a 4x4 layout of your design. If you're not sure what a 4x4 is, it's basically having four different images in your layout. So I'm just going to show you how to do that real quick in Pixlr. So you're just going to go to the layer that has your image that you just imported. You can just go right over to this double box thing that says duplicate. As soon as you hit that, you'll see a copy of your logo in the corner right here. Once you have it, what you want to do is just keep your thing here on fixed, and you just want to drag it and kind of make one box right there. And then you can click the next one here, and you can just drag it and try to kind of click it and make it to the same size. So you kind of have two of them that are similar, and you can just eyeball it to get the right size. If you want it to be exactly the same size, then all you would need to do is duplicate again. And before I do that, I'm just gonna like reorganize them. So I'll go to this one right here and I'll duplicate, and then I'm just going to drag it down. And then I'll do the same thing up here, duplicate, drag it down. Now, right now, all my things don't quite fit. So what I'm gonna do is click, and I'm gonna hold shift and then click again to get both of these. And all I'm gonna do is just kind of like make them smaller so that they kind of fit. And there you go, we have them fitting right there. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this, where I just kind of grab both of them and just shrink them down. And then both of these are, well, all these are kind of looking similar in size. So you have like a couple, just one or two ways that you could just make an instant copy. You could also just copy one and do every single one that way. The last thing I would do just to kind of keep everything organized is I would kind of reorganize these and label them. So I'll call this logo 4. This one will be logo 1. We're going to move that up here. This one will be logo 2. And then this one will be logo 3. And what this does is once you have these kind of labeled, it's very easy for you to go ahead and drag and drop and add colors into this and start to kind of design in a more broad way. So I could start to kind of choose things and add different colors into my design and make them look different. So that's just a quick, easy way to kind of start to fill in your design. As I'm designing, make sure all your boxes are closed so that everything looks good. And that's it.